Want to know how to get these effortless curls? Keep watching. You can either start with freshly washed hair that's about 80% dry, or just go ahead and dampen dry hair. I love using a heatless hair curler because it's so effortless and all you have to do is sleep on it overnight. Working one side at a time, take a small section from the front and then a section from the back. Begin wrapping it around the curler, alternating between the front side and the back side. Try to wrap the hair as tightly as you can to keep it secure. Once you go back to the front section, you're going to grab a small section of hair and add it into your braid. You'll repeat the same step, grabbing a small section of hair from the back and then wrapping it around to the front. Keep doing this until you get all the way to the end of the hair. Once there's no more hair to wrap around, take a scrunchie that usually comes with a heatless curler and wrap it tightly around the ends. To make it extra secure, I take the scrunchie and I push it upward. Repeat this all on the other side. Now it's time to go to sleep. When you're ready to take this out, remove both scrunchies. If you wrapped your hair tightly like I did, be gentle when taking the curler out. My right side was a little more stubborn, but I finally got it out. Use your fingers to loosen up the curls and piece them how you like. There you go, perfect heatless curls.